It's totally okay. How you doing, Mr. Simpson? I'm doing great, Mr. King. How are you? Good. All right. What are we doing?
Your Honor, we did not have discovery yet as of yesterday when I met with Mr. King. Miss Sunday, I'm assuming, because I emailed her at the same time regarding his as the other clients, that we will have it. Regardless, Mr. King wants to schedule the preliminary examination, and he is very much aware of where we are in this process. He is adamant that he wants to schedule the preliminary exam.
Your Honor, at this point, I would be objecting to that, given that I have come to find out there is more discovery. There's a second venue involved in this case that does have additional video surveillance of the actual assault that occurred in this case. Further, there's going to be more discovery because I was planning to address bond today, so there will be jail calls that could be leading to other charges in relation to this case. So at this time, there are a few things in play here that I do not have yet and that defense does not have yet that I think would be very important for this case, along with another follow-up interview with the victim of this case as well.
My client still wishes to go forward with the preliminary exam as soon as possible.
Understands that if all of that's not there, or if we start the preliminary examination, that it could be adjourned if the people aren't entirely ready to go.
That's fine.
Pardon?
He said that's fine, Your Honor.
I'm in jail 2 weeks. I ain't did nothing wrong. They always try to do.
Well, okay. Let me just explain to you though. The problem's going to be you may be in there longer, sad, and nobody can go because they don't have the stuff, and your counsel can't even advise you as to what you need to do. I mean, so that's all I'm saying.
Mr. Simpson, can I say something to him?
Well, I was going to say, I know that you and I talked about that, and you understand that, and you are anxious to get this case moving forward.
Yes, I get none of these days credited. I've been in jail.
Well, sir, I don't.
No, he's on a parole hold.
Okay.
My body is behind.
Here's what I'm going to do. That the discovery that you have now, you can get over to.
It was sent yesterday, Your Honor.
It was sent yesterday.
Currently, it was sent over yesterday. I'm awaiting further steps along with that surveillance video from where the actual assault occurred, and then potentially, and then this case would also get the jail calls that could be leading to future charges as well.
As to the witnesses currently charged, you would at least have police officers that could testify, correct? Because I'm going to do something with the date because everybody seems to be in a hurry. So I'm going to set an in-person preliminary examination. I'm going to set it for April 28th, 2026, a few days. Hang on. 9 a.m. That's before me.
Right. Thank you.
As to bond.
Your Honor, it's come to my attention that since being arraigned, Mr. King has been making calls to his family, that includes his sisters, actually his mother. In these calls, he says, my son don't need to come to court, man. You don't need to come. Talk to his mama. Talk to his mama. You're right there. If you want to help your nephew, you need to get on that phone and talk to his mama. That's what I said. It's going to kill him in the end.
Not his mom.
She's supposed to be on it. I don't know what I would do. And further things telling them they need to talk to the victim's mother. The victim is his minor son, so he's asking them to talk to the victim's mother to try and get him to not come to court and to guilt him into coming to testify against his father. So I suspect this could be leading to future charges of witness interfering in the future. And we've not had a chance to go through all of the jail calls. These are just a few that occurred after arraignment. And Mr. King is also on parole for a witness intimidation interfering case as well.
Okay.
You know, Mr. King did indicate to me that because this involves a family situation, that he has spoken to his mother and his sister. He has not spoken to his son or his son's mother, but his own mother. And everyone is aware of the allegations. He indicated that he does, to me, he indicated that he does have concerns about his son having to come in and testify and amplifying any potential issues between them. But he said to me when we were discussing that I did not have the discovery when I spoke with him yesterday, that he is prepared for his son to come and testify. So without more context, I think there may be more context than the statements alone are giving at this time. So the preliminary exam is April 28th. I know that you typically cease phone calls. I just want to reiterate that he has not had any phone calls with his son or his son's mother, but the exam is on the 28th.
People to contact them. Same.
I
Cannot have only direct contact, Ms. Gaines. As you know, you can't have indirect contact.
correct. I'm not disagreeing with that. I'm just saying that based on our in terms of there may be more that we may not be getting the whole conversation in context, given how he told me the conversations with his family went.
All right. What I will do, so I'm going to read the people's request. The defendant's phone privileges and texting privileges are hereby ordered revoked. Phone box, sir, do not do that.
You always take my phone. I haven't did anything wrong, Mr. Sir. I haven't did anything wrong.
Want a hearing on it? Because I'll have to listen.
Let's do a hearing today,
Want me,
because I need to talk to my family. I have things going on.
sir, Mr.
I want to do one today. Like you taking my phone, Mr. Simpson, and I ain't called them. The thing was, don't talk to my son. I haven't talked to him. I haven't contacted none of them.
Bond conditions were that you cannot have third-party contact or direct third-party.
I haven't.
Okay,
I haven't. Sir.
are you going to listen to me? Because if you're not going to listen to me, then I'm not going to listen to you. Okay, you can shake your head all you want. I'm just going to leave it there. We'll see you on Tuesday. You know, you respect me, I'll respect you, but I'm going to do it. Yeah, we're gone. We're done. Court calls the case. People versus Danita Combs.
If you're on that?
That's been people.